Hey loves, it's Lulu and I'm back today with an unboxing. So today I have my spring Fabfitfun box. So this box is seasonal, so you get it 4 times a year. So this is the spring edition, and can I just say I love the cover art on this box. I think it's so pretty. So with each quarterly box you get their seasonal edition of the Fabfitfun magazine. That's one thing that I love about this subscription. It's not just beauty products, it's everything from fitness to lifestyle to beauty. So it's just a well-rounded box, and all of the stuff pretty much lasts all season long. I'm still using the stuff that I got in my winter box. So I have nothing but good things to say. But yeah, so here's the magazine. And let's just dive right in and see what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is by Kyote London. So this is just their extraordinary translucent powder. And I love their packaging, it's so girly, so cute. So you can never have too much setting powder, so I'm happy about that. Kind of looks like almost like it has like a pink tint to it, but I'm sure it's gonna be clear or translucent. And the next thing that I received is by Quay Hair Care. It's a leave-in conditioner. Smells good. So it just says it's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Okay, I can't wait to try that. And then I also received the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. So I used some of that today. So the next product that I received is by Daily Concept. So this is their daily detox brush. So I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to do some dry brushing, especially with springtime coming up. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, you just basically take this on your skin and then work in circular motions. You could use this wet or dry, but I prefer to use it dry. And then I'm so excited about this next thing. So I got the Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. And this stuff smells freaking amazing. Oh, I wish you could smell this. So it's like a sugar scrub. Let's see. And you just exfoliate, and I'm telling you, oh, it just smells so good. It smells really fruity, kind of like Fruity Pebbles. But yeah, you just rub it into your skin and then you rinse it off. So for today's self-care routine, I took this brush and dry brushed all over my skin first in circular motions, and then in the shower I used this charcoal scrub and I exfoliated my skin once again, and now my skin feels so smooth and it just smells so good. So I love these products. And then that's not even it, it's crazy. This box is so full. So then I also got the Giadzi measuring spoons. So it's just these copper measuring spoons. So it looks like this is the Giada De Laurentiis brand. I didn't even know she had a brand. But this is what they look like. And so it comes with 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. So it's so perfect. So cute. So I'm looking forward to displaying that in my kitchen. And then I got the Unplug Meditation Diffuser. So I didn't even know this, but Unplug has their own app. So if you subscribe, I think you get a 30-day free trial. And it basically has some like health and wellness type videos and meditation videos. So I'm looking forward to diving into that more. But I'm so happy with this diffuser. I'm a huge fan of aromatherapy. They even included a bottle of essential oil. It smells so good. It smells just like sweet oranges. And then the last thing I got, I'm so excited about, is by Quay Australia. They're these like really cute cat eye glasses. I will definitely be rocking these this spring and summer. They're well made. I think they're really nice quality. They feel pretty heavy, but not too uncomfortable on. They just feel nice and solid, so I'm happy about that. So I got 6, 7, 8. Oh no, 8 things. Oh, actually, and this. And it even came with this little robe. I thought that was really cute too. I love this pattern. And I like the fact that, you can't see it here in this angle, but I like the fact that the back is longer than the front, so it gives you more coverage if you want to just wear this by itself. But yeah, so I think that Fabfitfun definitely captured the essence of spring. I'm super happy with every single thing that I got. and I can't wait till next season, but I know that this stuff will definitely last me for the next couple months. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today and hanging out with me on my self-care Sunday. So I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And until the next video, sending you peace, love, and good vibes always. Thanks for watching.